Hello viewers, welcome to Accent TV. Today we are going to discuss India's human computer, Shakuntala Devi, and how could a person attain such a high level of mathematics computation skill. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Shakuntala Devi was a brilliant child and without much formal education, she proved her talent at a small age of 6 years, and that too at the University of Mysore. Shakuntala's father would do road shows with her, demonstrating her mental math capabilities. Later, she placed herself as an expert in highly complex mental arithmetic and further developed the concept known as mind dynamics. In 1944, Shakuntala Devi, along with her father, left for London. She also traveled different countries of the world, showcasing her innate talent. She also visited Europe and America between 1950 and 1977 and impressed all with her mathematical skills. In 1977, Shakuntala Devi stunned all of the Southern Methodist University by giving the 23rd root of a 201-digit number in just 50 seconds. The correct answer to the question was 546,372,891, which was confirmed by a specially designed computer program written by the US Bureau of Standards. On 4th November 2013, Google honored India's human computer Shakuntala Devi on her 84th birth anniversary with Google Doodle. In 1977, Shakuntala Devi also wrote a book, The World of Homosexuals, which is considered as a unique book on the subject matter. She had a soft heart towards homosexuality and looked at it in an understanding and empathetic way. Shakuntala Devi was married to an IAS officer, Paritosh Banerjee, from Kolkata. In 1979, both of them divorced and left a daughter named Anupama Banerjee. In 1980, Shakuntala Devi contested the Lok Sabha elections in India, and she contested against Indira Gandhi and lost. On 21st April 2013, at the age of 83, Shakuntala Devi took her last breath in hospital at Bengaluru. She was suffering respiratory related problems which got complicated and elevated from other complications from heart and kidney. There was a peculiar incident with Albert Einstein when she met him and did a demonstration in front of him. And in her demonstration, she had a chalk in her hand before the board, and you could ask any kind of question about mathematics and arithmetic, and you would not have even finished the question, and she would have started writing the answer. Albert Einstein said, I asked this woman a question which I take 3 hours to solve because I have to follow the whole method. I cannot just jump from the question to the answer. I know that nobody can do it in less time than I can, and that time is 3 hours. Others take about 6 hours or more, but I can do it in 3 hours because I have done it before. But the whole procedure has to be followed. If you miss even a single step, the figures are so big that it took the whole board for her to write the answer. And before he had even finished the question, she started writing the answer. He was puzzled, absolutely puzzled, because it was impossible. He asked her, how could you do it? And she said, I don't know how I do it. It simply happens. You ask me, the figures start appearing before my eyes. It's somewhere inside. I can see 1, 2, 3, and I just go on writing. So you see, Shakuntala Devi was functioning at a very high state of intuition. From a spiritual standpoint, She could have attained enlightenment easily due to the fact that her soul was always prompting her the answers to all questions posed to her. This is a pretty advanced stage in spirituality where you don't even need a question, but your soul prompts you the answers to most of the problems you face in life. This highly functional mental state is achieved by doing some extremely good work in society in your prior births. For example, giving away all your money for the sake of poor upliftment, working with a pure heart and with no ulterior motives. Have you helped anyone recently? Please do let us know in the comment section. And thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily and weekly updates. And please click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Please also recommend to us what content you would like to view on our channel. Thank you.